Molecular basis of inheritance. Introduction. DNA and RNA are two types of the nuclei found in the living system. DNA acts as a genetic material in most of the organism. RNA, though it acts as a genetic material in some virus like TMV, QB bacteriophage, but mostly function as a messenger, adapter, structure, and catalytic role. DNA is a long polymer of deoxyribonucleotides. The length of DNA, usually defined as the number of the nucleotides, is characteristic of an organism. Bacteriophage 5 into 174,538 nucleotides. Bacteriophage lambda 48502 base pair. E. coli 4.6 into 10 power 6 base pair. Haploid content of human DNA 3.3 into 10 power 9 base pair. Structure of polynucleotide chain. The basic unit of a polynucleotide DNA RNA is a nucleotide which has three components: nitrogen bases, pentose sugar, phosphate group, purine, adenine, guanine, pyrimidine, cytosine, thymine, uracil, ribosine RNA, 2-deoxyribosine DNA. Purines are same in DNA and RNA. Cytosine is common to both DNA and RNA. Uracil is present in RNA. Thymine 5-methyl-uracil in DNA. A nitrogen base linked to the OH of 1 degree carbon pentose sugar through a N glycosidic linkage to form a nucleoside. When a phosphate group is linked to the OH of 5 degree carbon of a nucleoside through phosphoester linkage, a corresponding nucleotide is formed. Two nucleotides are linked through 3-5-phosphodiester linkage to form a dinucleotide. More nucleotides in such a manner form polynucleotide. When a phosphate group is linked to the OH of 5 degree carbon of a nucleoside through phosphoester linkage, a corresponding nucleotide is formed. A polymer thus formed has at one end a free phosphate moiety at 5' end of the sugar, and at the other end of the polymer the sugar has free OH of 3 degree carbon group. Free OH of 3 degree carbon group. DNA double helix. DNA as an acidic substance present in a nucleus was first identified by Frederick Meisser in 1969, named it at nuclein, based on X-ray diffraction data produced by Myros Wilkins and Rosalind Franklin. James Watson and Francis Crick proposed a very simple but famous double helix model of DNA in 1953. One hallmark of the helix in the base pairing between two strands, based on the observation of Irving Charga, that a double-stranded DNA, the ratio between ATGC, constant and equal when the base pairing confers complementary, a unique property to the polynucleotide chain. So, if each strand of parental DNA acts as a template for synthesis of new strand, the two double-stranded DNA produced would be identical to the parental DNA molecule. Salient features of the double helix of DNA made of two polynucleotide chain, where the backbone is constituted by sugar, phosphate, and bases project inside. Two chains have anti-parallel property. One chain 5' to 3' and other 3' to 5'. Bases in two strands are paired through hydrogen bonds, forming two base pairs ATGC. This generates approximately uniform distance between the two strands. The two chains are coiled in a right-handed fashion. Pitch of the helix is 3.4 nanometer, roughly 10 base pair in each turn. So distance between a base pair in a helix is approximately 0.34 nanometer, 0.34 into 10 power 9 meter. A plane of one base pair stacks over the other in a double helix. This, in addition to H1, confers stability to the helical structure. Central dogma of molecular biology proposed by Francis Crick states flow of genetic information as DNA, RNA, protein, DNA replication, transcription, mRNA, translation protein. In some viruses, the flow of the formation is in reverse direction from RNA to DNA. It is called reverse of central dogma. Packaging of DNA helix. DNA double helix in a typical mammalian cell is 6.6 into 10 power 9 base pair. The length is approximately 2.2 meter. 6.6 into 10 power 9 base pair into 0.34 into 10 power minus 9 meter per base pair. Far greater than the dimension of the typical nucleus, approx 10 power minus 6 emitter. In prokaryote E. coli, the DNA being negatively charged is held with some protein that have positive charges in the nucleoid. The DNA in the nucleoid is organized in large loops held by protein. In eukaryotes, it is a much more complex. The positively charged set of the basic protein histone, rich in the lysine and arginine, are organized to form a unit of 8 molecules called histone octamer. The negatively charged DNA is wrapped around positively charged histone octamer to form a nucleosome. A typical nucleosome contains those base pair of DNA helix. Nucleosome consists the repeating unit of a structure in a nucleus called chromatin thread, like strand bodies seen in the nucleus. The nucleosome in a chromatin are seen in beads on string structure under electron microscope. It is packed to form chromatin fiber that are further coiled and contained at a metaphase state to form chromosome. Packaging of chromatin at higher level needs non-histone chromosome protein in a typical nucleus region of chromatin. Euchromatin, loosely packed stains light transcriptionally active. Heterochromatin, more densely packed stains dark transcriptionally inactive. RNA world. RNA was the first genetic material. The essential life process like metabolism, translation, splicing evolved around RNA. RNA used to act as a genetic material as well as catalyst, so was reactive and hence unstable. Therefore, DNA is evolved from RNA with a chemical modification that make it more stable. Replication. Watson and Crick had immediately proposed a scheme for replication of DNA while proposing double helix structure of DNA. The two strands would separate act as a template for the synthesis of the new complement. After the completion of the replication, each DNA molecule would have a parental and one newly synthesized strand termed as semi-conservative DNA replication. The search of genetic material transforming principle. In 1928, Frederick Griffith in a series of experiments like with Streptococcus pneumoniae witnessed a miraculous transformation in bacteria. Some of these bacteria produce smooth, shiny colonies, while other rough colonies. S strains kills mice while R strains do not develop pneumonia, but heat-killed S strains are also non-violent. When heat-killed S and live R bacteria were injected in mice, the mice died, and the S strain living bacteria were found in the dead mice. Griffith concluded that the R strain was somehow transferred by the heat-killed S strain. It must be due to the transfer of the genetic material transforming principle, but the biochemical nature was not defined. Biochemical nature of the transforming principle. Oswald Harry, Colin McCarthy discovered the DNA of S bacteria caused R bacteria to become transformed, as proteases and RNases did not affect transformation, but DNase inhibited transformation. This concluded that DNA is a hereditary material, but not all biologists are convinced the genetic material is DNA. The unequivocal proof that DNA is the genetic material came from the experiment of the Alfred Hershey and Martha Chase 1952 on bacteriophage using radioactive phosphorus and sulfur in separate medium with equal properties of genetic material. DNA versus RNA. A molecule that acts as a genetic material must fulfill the following criteria: should be able to generate its replication, should be stable chemically and structurally, should provide the scope for slow mutation required for evolution, should be able to express in the form of Mendelian character. Both DNA and RNA can direct their duplication. The DNA has two complementary strands. If separated by heating again can again come together with the appropriate condition are provided. 2-OH group present at every nucleotide in RNA is reactive and makes it easily degradable. RNA is also catalytic, hence reactive. Among the two nucleic acids, DNA is a better genetic material. Presence of thymine at the place of uracil also converts additional stability to DNA. Both DNA and RNA are able to mutate. Being unstable, RNA mutate at faster rate. RNA can directly code for the synthesis of protein and can easily express the characters. DNA, however, is dependent on RNA for synthesis of protein. DNA, being more stable, is preferred for storage of genetic information. For transmission of the genetic information, RNA is better. Experimental proof. Semi-conservative DNA replication was shown first in E. coli, then in higher organisms like plants and human cells. Matthew Michelson and Franklin Stahl performed the experiment in 1958 using normal N14 and non-radioactive N15 isotope of the nitrogen as a source of NH4Cl and centrifugation in the cesium chloride CaCl density gradient. The various samples were separated independently on CaCl gradient to measure the densities of the DNA. E. coli divides every 20 minutes. Taylor and colleagues in 1958, using radioactive thymidine and VC of havaflavin to prove that DNA in a chromosome also replicate semi-conservatively.